See-through strip doors provide an economical solution to a wide range of barrier issues in shops, workrooms, food processing facilities, and even display fridges. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. These strip doors are custom made in a wide range of single or mixed colours, including clear PVC. The overlapping strips create an effective barrier against dust and drafts while also providing an efficient temperature control screen. There's a choice of thicknesses to suit all applications, from domestic to heavy industrial duties, and special ribbed strips for an extra secure fit. The simplicity of the design means that these doors require minimal maintenance to provide years of reliable service. And there's a novel choice of head sections that includes hook on, hook off and sliding curtain configurations. And you can find out more at all the W's mtiqualos.com.au or give them a call. MTI Qualos on 1300 135 539. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.